Hi, I'm Katie Altman, Water Resources Agent here in Sumter County, and I have a very special guest with me today, my sister Bridget.
Hey everybody.
Bridget, our favorite time of year is Halloween, right?
Yep.
That's right. What's your favorite thing about Halloween?
Dressing up.
You like dressing up?
Yeah, and go
what are we
trick-or-treating.
dressed up as this year?
Winnie the Pooh and Piglet.
And Piglet from the
Yeah.
100 Acre Woods.
Yep.
So every year we dress up, right?
Yep.
And where do we like to go?
Trick-or-treating on the Marsh Walk.
Yep, a lot of local communities, of course, have their own local flair and activities they do around Halloween. We're from Murrells Inlet, South Carolina, so we always like to go down to the Marsh Walk where a lot of the restaurants hand out candy. And do other people dress up?
Yep.
Oh,
All
yeah.
kinds of people.
Yeah, there's adults and kids and
Yep.
everybody dressed up.
Sure do.
And then we also like to visit our favorite park.
Yep. Huntington Beach.
That's right, we go to Huntington Beach State Park,
Yep.
and what do they do there?
Have a haunted castle.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
And there's crafts
Oh yeah.
and trick-or-treating.
Oh yeah.
But today we're here to cook some Halloween goodies, right?
Yep.
And what's our main ingredient today, Bridget?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yep.
So we really like Buckeyes
Yep.
and peanut butter cups.
Oh,
Anything
yeah.
with peanut butter and chocolate makes us happy. But they have a lot of sugar and butter
Yeah.
and peanut butter in them, so we wanted to make something a little bit healthier today,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Okay, so we've got our blender ready to go, and we're gonna start adding some ingredients to blend up, and we're gonna start with our first ingredient in the bowl here. And we've got some canned sweet potatoes, and they're canned in syrup, so they got a little sugar added, but it's a little bit healthier than just pure peanut butter. And they're very convenient. We picked them up right at the store, and now we're gonna scoop them into our blender. All right, and then we're gonna add our next ingredient, which is our favorite sweetener as
Honey.
Pooh Bear and Piglet.
Honey.
Yum.
Yep.
And scoop that in for me.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that should be good.
Okay.
And we just want to take a minute to blend this up a little bit before we add the peanut butter so that it doesn't get too thick all at once, and we can kind of smooth them out before adding the peanut butter. That should be good. We just want to break up some of those pieces before we add in our peanut butter. And we had about a 15-ounce can of yams and then about 2 tablespoons of honey, and now we're gonna put in a half a cup of peanut butter. Gonna scoop it in?
Yeah. That
This
good?
is messy.
Yep.
So these are still gonna have a really good peanut butter flavor, even though the main ingredient is sweet potatoes, or some people call them yams. But the peanut butter has such a strong flavor that it's still gonna have a really good peanut butter flavor. Take that down a little bit. And then we've got about a half tablespoon of pure vanilla extract and just a little bit of salt to bring out the flavors. That should be good. All right, ready? We're gonna put our lid back on and go back to blending. So we're gonna blend this up, and then once it's blended, we're actually gonna put it in the freezer for about 90 minutes so that it's cold but still pliable, so that we can start scooping them into ball shapes and then make them into a fun decoration. So go ahead and push that down and blend it up, Bridget. Blend, 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 blend. Okay. Now I'm gonna pull out some pre-prepared mix that I've already made. And Bridget is gonna scoop it out of the jar, and we're gonna form it into, let me fix the top a little bit. So we just wanna kind of flatten out the top, and we've got a cookie scooper here to make them really nice round ball shapes, because we're gonna make them into pumpkin shapes later. So we just wanna give it a few good squeezes. There we go. And we've lined the pan with wax paper so that they don't stick too bad. They're easy to get out once we pull them out of the freezer, and give it a few good squeezes. Sometimes it takes squeezing it a few times to get it out of the cookie scoop. And if you don't have a cookie scoop at home, you don't necessarily have to go out and buy one. You can use your hands to just kind of form the balls. It's just gonna be a little bit messier, but that just means you can lick your fingers afterwards, right, Fred?
Yeah.
So these are gonna be pumpkins later. We're gonna dip them in some white chocolate with orange food coloring in them, but they need a stem, and the stem's gonna help us dip them in that chocolate too. So we've got some pretzel pieces here. So we wanna take our pretzel pieces and kind of twist them and push them down into your peanut butter sweet potato ball so you don't just smash it flat. We want pumpkin shapes and not patty pan shapes.
Patty pan.
So we'll just twist that right down into our little pumpkin balls. Perfect. So we're gonna put these in the freezer. You wanna freeze them for 90 minutes, like I said, not totally frozen solid, still pliable. And then we're gonna melt the chocolate while we're waiting, and we'll start dipping them in chocolate. All right, so we just pulled our little pumpkin balls out of the freezer. I put them in there for about 30 minutes so that they could harden up. That way our melted chocolate wouldn't make them kind of fall off our pretzel stick. Bridget is over here stirring some orange food coloring into our melted white chocolate. And let me see this, Bridge. So we're gonna dip our little pumpkin balls in here so that they're bright orange and they look like pumpkins. So we just kind of stick it down in our chocolate and twirl it around. This looks like it's gonna be really good. So we'll stop this for now because we already have some pre-prepared. We've got bright orange. They're starting to look like pumpkins, aren't they? All right, so we've got some green icing, and any decorating icing will do for this. And we're just gonna add some little leaves and vines so they look even more like pumpkins. So I'm gonna put a little swirl on this one so it looks like a little green vine. And on this one over here, we'll add, looks like a little pumpkin leaf. We'll just keep switching that up between little vines and little leaves. What do you think, Bridge?
That looks
Are they starting to
good.
look good? You want to do a
Yeah.
couple? All right, we're going to keep working on this, and then when we're all done, we'll show you the finished product and we'll give them a taste test. All right, we've got our finished PB and sweet potato truffles, but they look like little pumpkins in our pumpkin patch, right?
Yeah.
I think it's time to try them. What do you
Oh,
think?
yeah.
All right, let's try a couple of them. There's one for you.
Thank you.
There's one for me. And cheers. Cheers. Give it a bite. Mmm.
Good.
Is it good? Nice. Well, thank you for coming on today, Bridgie.
Thank you.
Dressing as Pooh Bear with me.
You're
It was a great
welcome.
time, wasn't it?